Hello all, welcome to learnkatia.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the tools options and sketch analysis option under tools toolbar. So, before starting this to learn about sketch solving status, we have two shapes, that is one is rectangle and another is circle. As you can see, the rectangle is fully constrained and is completely green in color, and the circle is white in color, which is not constrained. For example, let me take a point and place it over here, and let us assume you are working on a biggest project and you haven't observed a point which is lying on your design. So how to know, for example, this point is far away from your design, you are not able to see it and you haven't noticed that. So let us see how to know the leftover non-constrained designs. So in the Sketcher design, go to tools, under tools, 2D analysis, sketch solving status, click on it. So in sketch solving status, the status which is showing as under constraint, right? So click on the expansion. So here you will get the entire patterns, and in which you can see this point which is constrained, iso constraint. Okay, the patterns which are iso constrained are completely constrained, and the patterns you can see here, the circle dot one under constraint, and point of the circle and this under point, the point which is constrained, not constrained. So now let us constrain the circle again. I have given the circle radius and the center of side circle to the y plane and x plane. I have given the values. Now the two shapes are in green in color, which is completely constrained. Now you can notice here still your sketch is under constraint. Now let us check why. Right, so entire design is constrained, but there is only point which is not under constraint, which is not constrained. So that is which we have left over wanted. This is the point which is under constraint. So now we have placed it. For example, you are not able to find it, right? What you can do is you can go for trim option, that is delete geometry or constraint. So the point which is not constrained is deleted. There is a risk in this option, as if the point is in connection with any of the constraint sketch, it will affect the entire design. So another option what you can do is, there is another point I placed now. So go to view toolbar. In view toolbar, there is one beautiful option called fit in all option. When you click on fit in all option, the workspace shows the sketch which are in your view, right? So this is how you can identify the point, right? Now let us learn about the view toolbar again. In view toolbar, the first option you have is the fly mode. Anyways, you don't use it. And fit in all option, I have showed you. Let us click it on again. So this is fit in all option. The exact space of your sketch design will be shown. The next is pan option. In pan option, like you need to click on pan option and click on the workspace, click the pan option, click on the space and just hold your left button, press and hold the left button of your mouse and you can drag and move the design. This is the pan option. Next is rotate. Check rotate and press and hold your left button on your mouse and rotate and move the mouse, and you can view it in 360-degree angle. Right now the sketch is not in a proper way. I want to get in it on order in different view, so we'll click on normal view. This normal view gets back to the original view. If you click it on normal view again, it will show you the back view of your design. If you click it again, different view, vice versa. So this is zoom out, zoom in and zoom out option, right? And this option create multi-view gives the multi-view of your sketch. This is isometric view, this is the left side view, right side view and the back view. And in quick use you have the option to view your sketch in all the views. This is the isometric view, front view, back view, left hand view, right hand view, top view and bottom view, right? This is a quick view. This you will learn later. The next option is hide and show option. For example, we are now using the spacebar as your hide and show option, or else you can click on this shape of your design and you can click on the hide option. It will be hidden. Right now the circle is hidden, you don't know how to regain it. You can undo it, it's another option. Now without undoing it, let's check where your circle has gone. Right, there is another option, swap visible space. When you click on it, you can see all the elements which are hidden. At the first place, in the first lesson, as we learned, the default planes are hidden, and now in the sketch I have hidden the circle. So these are the elements which are hidden. When you want to undo this, click on the circle and show option and remove the swap visible space. To remove swap visible space, click on the swap visible space option again. You will get back to your workbench. So these are the two options, and thanks for watching the video.